it's Mai here, and I hope you like this video today. I'm going to be posting it on Faith123, and I also have 2 more channels. It's called My Amounts and hooves.4.hearts.stables. So if you want to go follow those channels, you're welcome to. I'm going to be showing hoverboard tricks, and this is my hoverboard. And so let's get started. So my first trick will be, of course, standing up on a hoverboard. I'm just joking. The first trick is where you put your foot on the wheel, and then you do this, and you can go super fast on that. And then, okay, so that was my first trick. Hey, Bobby. Thank you. My second trick is where you can, it sometimes shakes a little bit, but is where you can do this on your knees. And you can go real fast on it. And I love this trick so much. It's like one of my favorites. And then, hold on. My third trick would be the dragging man, where you lay like this, and put your arms on it, and go fast like that.
Right here. I'm going to take my phone now.
My fourth trick is called the wiggle worm. You can go backwards while wiggling. And that is super fun.
You put on your camera.
So, yeah. And I also have another trick that I would love to share with you guys. So, you would come right here, you would grab and pull. So, I hope you liked it. Here's another trick that I have learned. It is called... Yes, Ivy, sit down, please. It is called... Well, there's one where you put your feet right here and mash down. And so the lights turn on. And you can move this way, move this way, move this way. It depends how much you lean. And then there's another one where you can mash your... Cool, don't give him one. Where you can mash your hands right here, put your feet like this, and it's really cool. And so, sorry, she keeps on interrupting. But so that will be the hoverboard tricks that I have learned and accomplished. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.